This is Stevon NextLevel Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. If you're watching this, you're either someone who's done short videos, want to know how to do short videos, or you just really don't know too much about it, but you would like to know. I just really started doing the short content videos, and I laid down on Thursday night. One of my videos had 60 views. I woke up Friday morning, 500 views. You do not want to miss what we've been ready to get into. Let's do it. So I want to talk about this. I started to wait. I was going to wait before I put this up just for my own studies. I went incognito on my channel. I'm pretty sure that if you saw that video, 500, matter of fact, I got a few things on the screen. I'll show you. Okay, check that out right there. Look at that. 500 views from 60 views. I woke up the next day, I'm holding my head, I'm looking, I'm wondering what in the world is going on. So I want to share with you 3 specific things that I did that maybe you could do that'll help you with your short content video. So make sure you hit the like button if you enjoy it, and drop me a comment, let me know if you want to hear more about it. But the first thing, specific thing that I did in my short form content is I made it a direct, on purpose effort to do it within my niche, which is music, entertainment, inspiration, and motivation. So that's what I decided to do. And I started doing what I call inspirational, motivational moments. This is another powerful and positive motivational moment. Did that, and then I came and did some other things from videos that I had already recorded. I said, well, I could take positive, powerful points from that and make it into vertical format. So I repurpose a lot of my content like that. So that's the first specific point that I would say, that if you're gonna do it, what I've done, make sure that I put up short form in my niche. That way, my subscribers, which right now I can take a chance. You know, I really don't have a lot of subscribers to be upset with me. So I'm at a great point to take a chance. But anyway, I'm putting up in my niche. So that's what the first thing I would suggest. I would say just do it in the niche. That way it doesn't disrupt anything. It's the same thing you've been doing, just in shorter form. So that is what worked for me. That's the first thing that has worked for me. The second thing that has worked for me in my short form is that I've been able to use hashtags that connects me and loops me in. So I would say find something that you do, only that you do. For example, in my incognito, I found out that there is a bunch of Stevons. There's a whole lot of Stevons, but there is only one Stevon J Biz. So I took that, Stevon J Biz, I searched it. Nobody else is using that. So I hashtag Stevon J Biz, and I can use that anywhere, and it'll only connect to me. Look at your channel. Look at something that you may be doing. What's something that you do consistently over your channel in words, maybe something that you write that you could put a hashtag to that'll only connect to you? That's the second thing that I would suggest that has worked for me. Using those hashtags to connect and link up, creating different pages, and it worked for me. So mine is Stevon J Biz. You could hashtag Stevon J Biz and I'll come right up. So that's the second thing I would say. Find something that you write consistently over to your channel, go incognito, hashtag it, see if anybody else connect to it. If not, use that and it'll connect you and link you up and start locking in some pages for you, creating that loop. When people come to your page, they can click that and keep watching your content. So that's the second thing that has worked for me. And the third thing that I would suggest that has worked for me, that may work for you when it comes to short form content, more specifically, if you have long form content, you can use it as an enticing element to get people to your long form content. You can encourage them to subscribe. You could put in the description links to different videos. For example, there's one that I did that went, it blew up overnight. Like I said, 60 views to 500 views. It was entitled, "They're So Wrong About You." And in that description, I put in there playlists, links to different other videos where people can come and check me out. And in the end, there's an element to subscribe. So there's all there is there. So that's the third thing that I would suggest. If you have long form content, use it as a way to get people to your long form content. Short, powerful points or short descriptions. Let's say, for instance, you do pizza. You could do a quick short video on how to slice a pizza in the perfect diagonal way. You know, something like that, you know, and then they'll come to your long form content where you can show them all the different pieces that you have. Or maybe you're a content creator and you like doing videos on how to help people to grow their YouTube channel. You could do a short content form on that and add value to it. So this is something that has worked for me. I may put together a course as I grow and see, maybe I just got lucky. Maybe the YouTube algorithm signals really like me because I tell them this video, OMG, this video. And I tell the algorithm, thank you. I don't know, maybe I just got lucky, but these are 3 specific things that I have implemented that may work for you. 1, short form content to supplement your long form content in the niche